In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find large emails in Gmail. Fix today here. Let's begin. First, go to the Gmail website and make sure you're already logged into your account. Once your inbox loads, look at the search bar located at the top of the page. Click into the search bar and type larger:1M, then press enter on your keyboard. This command tells Gmail to search for emails that are larger than 1 megabyte. The larger operator works as a size filter. The number represents the file size, and the letter M stands for megabytes. When you run this search, Gmail will immediately display a list of emails that are larger than 1 megabyte. These results usually include messages that contain attachments such as photos, videos, PDFs, presentations, or other large files. If you want to narrow down the results further, you can adjust the number in the search command. For example, you can type larger:5M to find emails larger than 5 megabytes, or larger:10M to find even bigger messages. This is helpful if you're trying to identify emails that are taking up a lot of storage space in your Gmail account. Another way to find large emails is by using Gmail's advanced search panel. If you're on a desktop computer, look to the right side of the search bar and click the icon that looks like 3 horizontal sliders. This will open the advanced search options. Inside this panel, locate the section labeled size. From the drop-down menu, select greater than, then enter a number in the size field, for example 10, and make sure the unit is set to megabytes. After entering your preferred size, click the blue search button. Gmail will then display all emails that match the size condition you set. If no results appear, that simply means there are no emails in your account that match the selected size filter. For example, if you search for emails greater than 10 megabytes and nothing appears, it just means your inbox doesn't currently contain messages that large. In that case, you can try lowering the number, such as searching for emails larger than 1 megabyte instead. And once you do that, Gmail will show all messages that meet the new size condition. That's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.